So in Bahrain, there's been an absolute explosion of food trucks. I mean, a couple of years ago when I was here, nothing, not a single one. Now there's hundreds. I'm not joking, there are hundreds of them. I'm sitting on the roof of one now. I'm just having a coffee here at this place. And there's like 7, 10 behind me. And then all over the place, all around the country, there's parking areas or wasteland. There's just hundreds and hundreds of these things. You know, selling burgers, coffee, Filipino food, Indian food, you know, Mexican, everything, just everything. So what I'm going to do today is we're going to just have a little wander around and have a look at some of them. I mean, no chance we're going to look at all of them because, yeah, hundreds and hundreds, just sort of all sort of small entrepreneur guys sort of doing their thing. Some of them are from like restaurants in town and they've sort of, you know, caught onto it that they're losing a few quid as well. So they've set up some ones. But I'm sitting on the roof of a container. This is like a shipping container. They've done it really nicely, nice little green grass on here and lovely coffee. What's this place called? Cappuccino. Right, we'll have a wander around in a minute. Fantastic. That's really, really, really good. Now bugger off. Okay, at this place I'm going to have some Indian food. I've got a masala dosa here. Masala dosa it's a crispy kind of pancake, as you see. It's got mashed potatoes and some curry leaves and stuff in it, spicy. And then here I've got a keema pav. Keema means ground meat or minced meat. And then pav is the name of the bread. It's just a kind of white soft roll, massively famous street food in India. But yeah, I'm going to tuck into this. Beautiful. Bit of raw onion here, some of the keema, spicy ground meat, curry, little squeeze of lime into the sandwich, and off we go. Beautiful. Okay, I've landed on my feet here. We're at a Filipino place and yeah, we've got a lot of Filipino subscribers. So yeah, I hope you're happy that I'm here. Fantastic food. I've got some bihon here, noodles here, goto, which is like a porridge, some lumpia or spring rolls, and then lomi. This is like meat, this chicken lomi with noodles. It is absolutely fabulous. Some nice vinegar there with some spices in it. Delicious. This food really, really does look great. Chef June is going to be so jealous of me. Forgot to tell you about this beautiful drink, sogo galaman. This is like a gelatine, like a gel drink. It really is really beautiful. I'm going to get tucked in right now. Look at the size of those beauties. I'm dipping that in me chili, spicy vinegar. Oh my God. They're possibly the best spring rolls or lumpia I've ever had. They really are amazing. I'm going to order some more of those to take away. Right, I'm going to get tucked in my gotto, which is like a porridge. This is my favourite actually, the bihon, like a glass noodles. Vegetables in there, meats in there. That's delicious. Little squeeze of the lemon or lime. Chef June, eat your heart out, mate. This is really good. I'll be talking to you in the office tomorrow. That's out of this world. Really, really good. I mean, this is street food, street truck food, but it's 5-star restaurant quality. It really, really is fabulous. Really, really good. This is the best place we've been to for sure. Okay, this is Raul. This is his place. This is by far the best food I've had in Bahrain. I don't mean just food trucks, I mean just food. This guy needs to open up 400 restaurants worldwide. Thanks, man. I appreciate it.
Thank you.
Excellent, excellent.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much.
I hope you will come back soon.
Tomorrow.
Yeah, sure.
I'll be here tomorrow. Yeah. Cheers, man. Thanks. Thank you. Really, I appreciate it. Thank you. Okay, so here we are again. Another fabulous burger. It looks really, really good. Like really good. And you can see behind me, this is like in a car park of a supermarket. Again, there's another sort of 10, 20 of these places and some kind of craft looking stalls and all that. But yeah, I'm gonna tuck into some fries. I'm gonna tuck into this burger and then we're gonna move on. We're gonna go again. Loads of these places. That's fabulous. Fabulous. Mwah. So that was it. That was part 1 of what could be part 12, I suppose. There were so many. We just scratched the surface of the amount of food trucks going on in Bahrain. So yeah, the Filipino place I went to was amazing. That was really, really good food. The dosa was great. Some great burgers. There's probably too many burger places, to be honest. There's a lot of them are burgers and it's kind of a bit unnecessary, but didn't get to eat any Mexican food. I want to do that. There's a shabu shabu, which is like a kind of Japanese kind of dish on the table where you cook everything, just everything really. There's loads and loads of stuff. Yeah, it's a bit sort of, it's like a food truck festival every day. So feel very, very, very privileged. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed that. Like I say, I'll probably do another one of these because like I say, it's endless. I can keep going and keep going. We'll see you soon. Lots of love. Mwah.